right, so as you can see, the footings are all done here, so we're just progressing. We're almost finished now. And we're just checking the level of the footings before we pour the concrete. All right, so we basically want to maintain this level right there. Basically want to maintain this level around the whole footing. And we've already done the footing, and the inspector's already been here and passed it, so we're good to go and pour the concrete. And we're just waiting on the concrete trucks. Now, as you can see here, big mistake some people make is they forget to tie in the weeping tiles to where we cut them off. So right now, the old weeping tile went into this hole here, and so it's been disconnected here and disconnected over there. So you need to run a weeping tile all the way the perimeter of the inside of the outside of the basement that's finished. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're just putting the rebar in the footing right now and waiting for the concrete truck, and then we're all ready to go. So we lucked out because the weather's great and it held off for us, and we're just finishing up pouring the concrete footings, and tomorrow we'll be doing the walls. Great. Okay, so as you can see, the footing, we've stripped the footing, and we're just starting the walls right now. And then the guys have got the blueprint, so they're laying out the walls. They've put the chalk lines down. And the only thing is that we just got to be careful of where the weak spot is, where you got to make sure you're tying into the existing foundation, right where the old block wall is with the new wall. We're going to rebar and put dowels in there, and you have to make sure that joint is well waterproofed. And we're going to watch the guys form and go from there. And then once it's formed, we'll strip it, waterproof it, call for an inspection, and backfill it, and then the carpenter can be ready to go. Okay, as you can see, we've tied in our weeping tile like I mentioned earlier. So we've connected where the old connection was over here. Mike, you want to just pop down? Okay, you got to make sure you reestablish the weeping tile, okay, like I mentioned. That's where it was cut, and we're going around the perimeter, and we're going back into the sump pump where we've got it discharging out.